Hello, welcome back to Ravi Talks. Today, we are going to talk about something surprising and a little scary. Your personal data is everywhere online. And yes, you can start to wipe it out. It is easier than you think. Let me explore. Before we begin, please like and subscribe to Ravi Talks so you don't miss important stories like this. It's a real story, what I found online. Last week, I tried a simple tool by Google called Results About You. What I found shocked me. There it was, my home address, phone number, email, even my grandma's name, all listed on strange people search websites. Some of this info I had asked to be removed years ago, but it was still there. Every day, now I get alerts about news sites posting my private data. And I am not alone. Your information is out there too. Go ahead, Google your name and see what shows up. You might be surprised. Then why should you care? You might wonder, why should I care if my address or birthday is online? Well, here is why. Your data can be used for identity theft. Scammers can use it to impersonate you. It opens the door to harassment, junk mail, or even doxing. A 2024 cybersecurity report says attackers are now targeting public figures, executives, even regular people using these online data sources. You know, privacy is not about hiding something. It is about protecting your right to choose what you share. And before that, how did this happen? Because if you have ever done any of these things, like buying a home, signing up for a credit card, answering a survey, or registered to vote, then your data is part of the public record. And data brokers are scrapping it all. They gather info from everywhere, even your social media, and build a detailed profile about you. Some profiles have over 600 places of information, including your friends, family, car details, and even license plates. The more we share online, the more we give away control of our lives. What are the red flags to watch for? Here are some warning signs that your personal data may be exposed. You receive strange emails or phone calls. Your name shows up in online directories without your permission. You see your home address or family members listed online. You have been a victim of fraud or impersonation in the past. What can you do? Here are the few practical tips. You need to learn how to use Google's free tool. Visit myactivity.google.com, scroll to Other Activity, and click Results About You. It will show you where your data is exposed, and you can request removal. Google yourself. Type your full name and city into Google. Look for your info on sites like Spokeo, White Pages, or My Life. Opt out from people search sites. Many of these websites have an opt-out link. Follow their process to request removal. Consider data removal services. Tools like DeleteMe can help clear your data not once, but you have to do it regularly. In a world that profits from your information, privacy becomes your greatest power. We live in a digital world, but that doesn't mean we have to give up control. Your address, your phone number, your story should be yours to protect. Thank you for watching Ravi Talks. Stay smart, stay alert, and see you in the next story.